Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install MinIO SDK with Python for dataset uploads, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have Python installed on your system. If you haven't installed Python yet, download it from the official Python website. Once installed, open your command prompt or terminal. Next, verify that Python is correctly installed by typing Python version. You should see the version of Python displayed. Now, let's install the MinIO SDK for Python. In your command prompt or terminal, type pip install MinIO and hit enter. This command will download and install the MinIO SDK and its dependencies. To make sure the installation was successful, type Python C import MinIO and press enter. If no errors appear, the SDK is installed correctly. Next, open your preferred code editor or IDE to write your Python script. Create a new Python file, naming it something like upload_dataset.py. In this file, you will begin by importing the MinIO library. Type from MinIO import MinIO. Now, you need to set up the MinIO client configuration. Initialize the MinIO client with your MinIO server URL, access key, and secret key. An example line of code would be client equals MinIO, your MinIO URL, access_key equals your access key, secret_key equals. Replace your MinIO URL, your access key, and your secret key with your actual MinIO credentials. Next, let's define the bucket where you will upload your dataset. You can create a bucket using the following code: client.make_bucket, your bucket name. Replace your bucket name with the desired name for your bucket. Now, confirm the bucket was created successfully. If it already exists, handle this with a try except block to catch any exceptions. After setting up the bucket, prepare your dataset file for upload. You can specify the full path to the dataset file like this: file_path equals path/to/your/dataset.csv. Next, define the object name for the dataset in MinIO. Use a line such as object_name equals dataset.csv to name your uploaded file. Now, you are ready to upload the dataset. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.